All right, good morning and welcome back to my channel. So let us quickly solve this Olympiad problem. It's a very simple one, okay? So we have that this is x over 7 all raised to power x is equal to 7 raised to power 49, okay? This raised to power this is 49. So this is now, let me separate this to be x raised to power x over 7 raised to power x is equal to what? 7 raised to power 49. Okay, if I cross multiply, I'm going to have that x raised to power x is equal to 7 raised to power 49 dot 7 raised to power x. Okay, so this is now x raised to power x is equal to 7 raised to power 49 plus x according to the law of indices. I say that if we have multiplication, we can easily add the power, right? So now what do we do next? Now we can take the log of both sides, but let's take the log in base 7 of both sides. So I have the log x raised to power x base 7 is equal to log, okay, 7 raised to power 49 plus x in base 7. Now, according to the law of logarithm, this can go to the back and this can go to the back. We're going to be having x log x base 7 is equal to log 49 plus x, sorry, 49 plus x goes to the back, 49 plus x, okay, is being multiplied by log 7 base 7. Now don't forget that if the log and the base are the same thing, that the answer is 1. So this is 1. So I have that x log x base 7 is equal to 49 plus x. So this is 1. Anything times 1 is the same thing. Okay. So now let us have that if 49, I'm going to have that. Let's divide everybody by x so that this log can stay alone. If this log now stay alone, x base 7 is equal to 49 over x plus x over x. Okay, so this is now the log x base 7 is equal to 49 over x then plus 1. All right, so now let us say that let x be equal to 7y. Okay, so we assume let x be equal to what? 7y. Okay, anywhere I see x, let me put 7y. The reason is because I want to get the log of the same base here. That's the reason I'm doing that. So let's say that this is log, okay, 7y. Anywhere I see x, I'm putting 7y base 7 is equal to what? 49 over what? 7y then plus 1. Okay, so according to logarithm, I can separate these people. So this is log 7 base 7 plus log y base 7. What brought about multiplication is because of addition. So is equal to what? This into this is 7 over y then plus 1. Okay, now looking at this, when the base and the log are the same thing, the answer is 1. Don't forget. Okay, so I'm now having that 1 plus log y base 7 is equal to 7 over y plus 1. Okay, know that this and this is gone. If this comes, it becomes minus, so it's gone. So I'm now left with log y base 7 is equal to 7 over what? 7. So 7 over y. Okay, now if I cross multiply, I'm going to have that y log y base 7 is equal to 7. Okay, now according to law of logarithm, this can go to the back here. So I'm going to have that what? Log y base y, sorry, log y raised to power y base 7 is equal to what? 7. Now, according to the law of logarithm, that if you want to remove the log, that this will go and carry this. So I'm going to have that y raised to power y is equal to what? 7 raised to power 7. That's if you want to remove this log. Okay, so now if you look at this, y raised to power y is equal to 7 raised to power 7. So this implies that automatically y is equal to 7. Okay, but we are not looking for y, obviously we are looking for x. So since we are looking for x, and don't forget there's a place we say that x is equal to 7y. Okay, So our x is equal to what? 7 times 7. So our x is equal to 49. Okay, so that is that for that. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Bye bye.